a fantastic event because it gives participants a close exposure and idea on what exactly AR VR is.
Even I doing VR business, I learned a lot of things from this conference.
The organizing theme is excellent because I haven't seen any other institution in India taking up these topics.
This is actually what is needed from both an industry point of view, from an AR VR point of view, as well as the business point of view, to get these people to meet together, exchange ideas, and create solutions which would help create an AR VR ecosystem.
This is one of the key AR VR events which is happening in India, which is very focused and it brings together the right set of people. So I would encourage them to really come here and get really good customers and really good business connections.
It is very exciting to hear about what other people are doing and meet people from the fraternity. That is a very important thing and these events are the only kind of events that would help us to get in touch with people in the same field.
It's a combined effort of VRTECH conference to bridge the gaps from different industries, to bring all the delegates from different sectors.
It's a great opportunity for us to present in VRTECH events. It's a very focused event on AR technology. From last year to this year, huge improvement in terms of the audience, in terms of the program structure.
I have to understand the technology, what advancements are happening, how people are using AR VR for their applications, and whether any chance I can collaborate with somebody to develop a common application which can be used for Tata Motors.
We are at the right time to be dwelling into XR and utilizing AR, VR and MR for the best possible uses in the industry.
This is the only event related to VR AR in India as of now. So anybody who is interested towards accommodating VR AR, they must come into this conference.